What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are stopping here for the first time or you've been here before, either get down there and click subscribe or hit that bell button. I was just at a family party and a lot of people of my family watch my videos, and the one was like, "You haven't uploaded in a while," and I'm like, huh? So something's messing up with YouTube, and a lot of you are not getting these videos, so hit that bell button. If you haven't been here before, click subscribe so you do not miss out. Today, my baby is getting her wide hips back. We're putting the factory flares back on. They're freshly painted, 3M'd, all that. I do have the F11 top coat on this truck. If you guys didn't see those videos, we tested the F11 out. It does look pretty sharp, pretty good. The truck is very clean. 3M will stick to the F11. I already put a piece on here, and there's resistance coming off. So the 3M will stick. Wow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over with a rag, make sure all, oh, look at that, I got some dirt here. I'm going to wipe all, what the heck is that? They just paved a road around here, and I guess it just kicks up dust, so that's good. So I'm going to wipe these areas off, make sure they're clean, and we will put the flares on. My only thing here is this decal. I mean, obviously, for SEMA, like I said, I'm probably going to switch it up, different design, and some other lettering as well. However, this, as you can, I don't know if you can see, the line is kind of right here where it's going to go, so it'll cut this much off. I don't know if I'll cut this or not, because as soon as I peel this up, it's going to get all distorted and it's not going to look right anymore. So I'll make a game time decision on that. But let's go get these flares outside and get them put on. It is another steaming hot day in Ohio. It is about 94 degrees and the humidity here is absolutely bad. So it's hot, but we're going to get these flares done. I can't wait for this look. I've been dying to get these back on. The fact I got it now, I told myself today, I'm like, you know what, forget it, we're doing it. We're doing it. So those are going on. And yeah. Okay, so all we need for this project is an 8mm and an impact wrench if you want to save a lot of time. We're going to start off with the right rear one. No reason, it was just the one that was on top of the table. But I'm going to come in here and just kind of wipe this down because it's probably going to be hidden for a long time before these even come off again. So just going to try and clean it up the most I can, best I can, because this is going to be hidden. That's why I did the whole F11 and cleaned it, buffed it, washed it, because these flares will not be off for a while. Okay, now with all those out, we're going to put the flare on. Now, if you didn't see yesterday's video, remember what I said about this tail. Make sure you leave this out, otherwise you're going to have a bad time. Okay, so now it's on, as you can see, and it's in position. It's not fully tight, however. I gotta clean this mark off it later, but they're not fully tight yet. Like I said, this is why I leave this tail. If you see my original video, you saw me complain about this gap, and even the factory flares have that gap down here. But you don't want to tighten it completely yet. You're gonna want to leave, like I said, if you leave your tail, you can do this, and you can peel the 3M off. Just like this, all the way from behind. Just like this. All the way down, and then you're gonna take it and literally just push it against your paint. If you take that off first, you're gonna have a horrible time. Let me tell you that. And now that's all left to do. We're pretty much just gonna tighten these down. So they click like that. That's tight. Tight. Alright, so all these are tight. Boy, does that look good. I'm so happy those are back on. I'm gonna have to clean it up. I'm gonna either polish it or definitely F11 it for sure, but that looks darn good. So something I didn't know if I was gonna show or not, but I guess I will because it's part of the process. So, like I showed you guys in the last video, there's rock chips all up in here, everywhere. I touched them up on the other side and I touched them up on the other front. We're going to touch up the ones over here. This is just your average Mopar paint pen. You guys always wondered, yes, this is factory paint, and here is my paint code. It's P06. I'm probably gonna lightly touch this one up again. I touched it up a long time ago when I actually painted the bumpers, but I'm gonna fill this one in a little bit more and do that as well. And while we have the paint pen out, we might as well hit this one right here in the bumper as well. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna keep taking this brush and kind of brushing it in. I'm gonna keep taking some off the top, so it kind of smooths itself out here. And let's try and tackle this gas cap. I'm not adding any more paint here. Just use what I have. Just because bare metal was showing. Gonna fill that in a little bit. But yeah, guys, filling in rock chips and using paint pens are never going to make your paint look 100 again. It's just not going to happen. But it's better than having bare metal showing and like rust forming. So just kind of touch them up as they come. Now, if you guys saw yesterday's video when I was putting these all together, I did the whole thing and ran out of 3M right here. So I showed you guys how to make these tails, but as you can see, there's 2 on this one, so we're gonna run this back here, pull this one all the way up, and it'll match where the first one ends. And then we're just gonna stick. As you can see, yes, the 3M does stick to the top coat F11. I don't know how well or how long, but it does. Pull off our 3M all the way down. Come on. Boom. Done. And stick. So I didn't even make it any further than that last clip before. Look at the difference in me just filling in that rock chip there. You can't even see where it was. But you can see this one, so I gotta fill that one in too. But the other one, dang, that looks good. But if you're looking here, here it is. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb anymore. I'm gonna put the clear on it now. Clear from the other thing of the pen. Just touch it over. Not ideal, but better. All right, and we got this one on too, and we have them all on really now. So I'm gonna do. I was gonna buff them, but there's no scratches. It's just like, I don't know. I think it just needs the same top coat shine. So we're gonna hit this with the F11, and look what the cat dragged in. What's up? What's up? Anyway, we're gonna go back to adding the F11 to these flares. I'll probably run 2 coats over it all tonight, in that matter. But yeah, just kind of match the shine. They really don't need buff. There's not even any orange peel to them. So I'm just gonna go with the top coat shine. All right, if you guys remember this from the other video about the leveling kit, we put these wheels on and we did some chopping and gluing and whatever, but I was saying, oh, this truck would look awesome if it had like a buff and all that stuff, and some of you in the comments were like, stop hating on this truck, and I was like, no, it was just like, honestly, the truck would look amazing if we buffed it. And a few days later, I should have filmed it, but it was really dark out. We buffed this, and this color is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. I wish it was it's got a little bit of a haze on it now because of just weather, but it's dirty and it looks clean compared to before. Oh my goodness, this paint color is just absolutely raw. Timberland green, for you guys wondering, but look at that. No more scratches, no more swirls. This thing looks fantastic. He's over there working on he took his rain guards off. He's got a stripe off wheel, so we're gonna check on that in a second, but I just want to show you guys this paint because it looks, look at that. Literally, it's a mirror. It looks so good. It's amazing what like a, you know, literally a buff and a detail can do to your vehicle. It looks so good. Coming off or no?
Yeah.
So for you guys who are gonna wonder, like, I do like the rain guards. He didn't like them because they stuck on. If I do rain guards, which I might on my truck, they're gonna definitely be the in channel because I don't like sticking things to my paint. And some people are like, oh, I hate the in channels, but the in channels are honestly awesome. I had them on my 06. So much better, so much nicer, and you don't have to stick them to your paint. Like, this is what you gotta deal with if you ever have to take them off.
I know this isn't gonna take the vinyl off.
Actually, people do bust through those vinyl with those things.
Dude, you go through like 3 of these.
Yeah, they'll take forever. Cause what my
it's starting to come off.
Yeah, see. But my problem with this is what you're gonna have. It's like I don't think this is gonna peel like you want it to peel. It's so. I mean, it's a 12, so it's been in the sun for 8 years. Oh, see, I told you, you went right through it.
Huh. I might just take these off today.
Look who's calling. What's up, dog? So Jeffrey just got his RBP steps, and he wanted to know the lighting situation for them. He's wiring them up right now, so I'm just gonna send him a pic. Oh, looks like you're going. Looks like you're taking your vinyl off. Oh, goodness. This is gonna be a long night. I can already tell you that. What a mess. Holy crap. Oh, guys, this looks so darn good. Especially with the rock lights on. Still gotta light up that purple and that purple for sure. We're gonna power wash that truck off real quick because it's covered in the vinyl that was between the windows. And I honestly think that sticking that underneath the flare also kind of adds some depth to it, though. I kind of like that too. And everyone's like, oh, flares. It barely adds any like cut, like width to it. If you had bushwhackers, it'd be way out, but that just looks clean, sleek, and nice. That's what I wanted. And he's probably honestly gonna order a set for his because he's so impressed at how like sleek they are. Oh yeah, now that looks so much better. Okay.
I got myself.
Remember what is that? Don't spray my truck. Yeah, factory paint back in 2012. It's never seen the light. There it is. It's the first time. It's probably gonna like shrivel and peel off now. Oh damn though, this green. Oh my goodness. That looks so good.
Hey, which one do you turn off?
Right. And, you know, a lot of you were like hesitant about taking your vinyl off, and some of you want to put it on. I honestly like the look of like, honestly, I do like the look of the Ram 2500 badge, but I do like the look of no vinyl. It looks so clean, just like mine. I remember taking mine off. And then everyone was all like, oh, you should have left it, but no, it looks so much better. So, like, the more factory paint, the better. Alright guys, so there you have it. The flares are back on the truck, and it looks darn good. And honestly, just look, I love the look of these, the factory sport flares. They just look awesome. Add a little depth to the truck, add a little more, and just a little more to it than being just so plain. So I love that. It just looks, oh, so good. So in other news, should be picking up a new build tomorrow as you're watching this, I think. Not what you think though, and I was not fully expecting to be buying one of these so soon, but well, I kind of was, but kind of wasn't. But picking up, it's not what you think. A few of you will be interested in it, not all, so it will not be the focus. It will not be like a focused build, but there will be some content with it. Yeah guys, if you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. If you enjoy this video, shoot this video a thumbs up. Like I said, hit that bell because a lot of you are missing these videos, and like I said, even family members are like, well, I'm not getting the notifications. I got word on this that we should be having that cold air intake here very, very soon as well. I got something funny for the truck tomorrow, and I should be picking up that build, so that'll be an awesome video too. So guys, if you enjoy this video, shoot a thumbs up. Please get down there, click subscribe. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.